Hey everyone, I welcome you all to this session. And today in this class, we are going to discuss about update and delete statements. So first of all, we will be using the database named practice, and then we will be using a table named sales April 19. So we will be using this table to understand more about the update and delete statements. So first of all, here you can see on the top left corner that we have master database selected. So I will write a statement to SQL query to first of all change the database. So I will write use, and when you will type two letters of this practice word, you can see that the IntelliSense will show you that this is the database that we want to use. So I'll first of all select it, then simply press Ctrl E. So you can see that it now shows that command completed successfully, and here on the top you can see that in place of master, this practice DB is now selected. Now let's say I want to view all the records from the table by the name sales April 19. So you can see that table here, the name of that table here. So this is the table that we are going to use, sales April 19, right? So I will write a select statement first of all. So that is select all from. When you will type two letters, IntelliSense will show you that this is the table that you can use. So you just have to select it, press enter, shift up arrow key, Ctrl E. So this is the table that we are going to use, right? Now, let's say I am interested in updating, let's say the quantity ordered for some particular given order ID, right? Let's say for order ID number 176560, I want to update the quantity ordered, right? So how can I do that? So before discussing the update statement, first of all, I want to know about those records or the number of the records where order ID is equal to 176560. So I will simply run this select statement, but with a where condition. So I will have to specify the order ID. And since I want for this particular order ID, so I will copy it from here and I'll paste it here. Shift up arrow key and Ctrl E. So here you can see that we have two records for which the order ID is equal to 176560, and for both of them the quantity ordered is equal to 1. Now let's say I want to update this quantity ordered for this particular order ID in both the records, and I want to make it 2, let's say in place of 1. So this is the simple statement that we can write. You will have to write it in this way, update, and then you need to mention the name of the table. So when you will write two letters, you will write SA. The IntelliSense will show you that these are the tables that you can use or choose from. I will select this table, and then you have to write set. And since I am interested in updating the value of quantity ordered, so you'll have to write update QUA, and when you will write 2-3 letters, the IntelliSense will show you that these are the columns that you can choose from. So I will select this column, and since I want its value to be updated and I want its value to be changed to 2, so I will write equal to 2, and now I will have to write a where condition where I will have to specify that for what all order IDs I am interested in changing the quantity ordered, or for what condition, what particular condition I'm interested in changing the quantity ordered. You have to specifically keep that in mind, that you have to write and you need to specify the where clause or the where condition. If you will not specify the where clause or the where condition, all the records will be updated. So this is very important. So I will write where order ID is equal to, and this is the order ID that we have. So I will copy it from here and I'll paste it here. Now press shift up arrow key, select this update statement and Ctrl E. So you can see that two records or two rows were affected. And now let's say I want to see the updated value of the quantity ordered. So I can again run the select statement. So shift up arrow key and Ctrl E. Now you can see that the quantity ordered for these two, or for this particular order ID, sorry, has changed to 2. Right? So that's how you can write an update statement. Now similarly, let's say if I'm interested in deleting those records where order ID is equal to 176560. So how can I write that statement? So you can simply write delete from, and you will now have to write the name of the table. So you can simply type 2 characters, 2 letters, and it will show you that these are the tables that you can choose from. select sales April 2019. And here also you have to keep in mind that it is very important to specify the where condition, the where clause. If you forget to do that, all the records will be deleted, right? So let's say I want to delete only those records where order ID is equal to 176560. I'll copy it from here and I'll paste it here. Shift up arrow key and control E. So you can see that two records or rows are affected. Now, if I will run this particular select statement, shift up arrow key and control E, now you can see that there are no records, right? Because for this particular order ID, that is 176560, we deleted all the records. So that's how you can basically use the update or the delete statements. If in this particular update statement, if I will not specify this where clause, if let's say I make it a single line comment, so I'll have to type 2 hyphen here. So now you can see that this particular update statement will still run, but it will update all the records, right? Because I have written this where condition in comments. So if you write or specify anything in comment, so that will not be executed, right? So since that will not be executed, so it will basically execute this part only, that you have to update the sales April 19 table and you have to set quantity ordered equal to 2 for all the records. So this particular statement will basically update all the records. If I'll run this statement, control E, so you can see that 1002 rows were affected. Now if I will simply run the select statement, as I'm interested in, I want to see the whole table, all the records and columns. So for all the records and columns for the entire table, you will now see that the order ID, so the quantity ordered has now changed to 2 for all the records, right? So first of all, in order to run the select statement, will have to make this where clause a comment, and now I will run the select statement. So shift up arrow key and control E. Now you can see that the quantity ordered is equal to 2. For all the records, quantity ordered has become equal to 2, right? Because while running this update statement, we didn't specify the where condition. So it's very important to specify the where condition. Now, let's say I want to run this delete statement and I want to make this where condition a comment. If I'll make it a comment, all the records will be deleted. And when I'll run the delete statement, so shift up arrow key, control E, and you can see that 1002 rows were affected. Now if I'll run the select statement, that is select all from sales April 19, you can see that there are no records because all the records were deleted. So whenever you are using the update or the delete statement, it becomes very important to specify the where clause, the where condition, or whatever condition that you want to specify in the where clause, right? Because if you will not do that, then all the records will be affected. So that's the thing. I hope this session was helpful. We'll meet in the next session. Till then, thank you. Bye-bye.